The demand for home servicing is growing rapidly here in the UK. It's expected to grow by 15% in the next 3 years. Hi, my name is Sabas and I'm the founder of Hello Services. If you're already in the home servicing sector and looking to expand your business or looking to start providing home services anywhere in the UK, then joining Hello Services could be the best choice. We are used by thousands of customers across the UK on a monthly basis. We have access to one of the best technologies in the market. Hence, you will be guaranteed with flow of jobs. Whether you can provide cleaning, moving, handyman, house clearance, or any other type of home maintenance, then you could be receiving jobs as early as tomorrow. There's no joining fee or franchise fee. All you have to do is be serious about business and provide professional services to our valuable customers. Click on the link to apply. A dedicated team will be in touch to bring you on board. Come grow with us. Thank you.